Hello, my name is Jason Salyers, and I'm a Financial Aid Specialist at ACTC. I'd like to take a few moments to explain some important things we want our students to know about our financial aid process. Your first step to applying for any federal grants or student loans is to complete the FAFSA application, which is available on the website www.fafsa.gov. The FAFSA generally takes 3 to 5 days to process. The results of your FAFSA will determine the amount of grants and student loans for which you are eligible. This application has to be renewed each year you plan to be enrolled. ACTC has an Office of Financial Aid at our College Drive and Technology Drive campuses. It is recommended that students meet with a financial aid advisor before class registration to make sure they understand their individual aid options. Sometimes students have to turn in additional paperwork or obtain a tax transcript. You can monitor this from the to-do list in your student self-service. Your to-do list and your KCTCS student email are the ways the Office of Financial Aid will contact you for anything needed, so you'll want to check both accounts as frequently as possible. It is important to remember that student loans must be paid back, and the steps to borrowing must be completed before a loan can be dispersed. You can find more information about this process on the website www.studentloans.gov. All students receiving federal financial aid will have to meet Satisfactory Academic Progress, or SAP, which outlines 3 main responsibilities for students receiving financial aid. First, you must maintain a cumulative grade point average of at least 2.0, which is a C average. Second, you must complete at least 67% of the credit hours you attempt. Withdrawing and failing classes both affect your completion rate. Additionally, due to federal financial aid regulations, when students are unsuccessful in their classes during a semester, there's a potential a student could owe some of their financial aid back. Lastly, you cannot exceed your maximum time frame. At ACTC, financial aid may pay up to 150% of the credits you need to complete your program. The total number of credits available for you depends on your current academic program. For example, if you plan to obtain an Associate in Arts degree and that degree takes 60 hours to achieve, you are eligible for financial aid until you reach 90 total hours. Diploma and certificate programs require fewer number of hours, thus the 150% time frame will be less than 90 hours. Please be advised that your transfer hours from other colleges count toward your total. In addition, not all programs offered at ACTC are eligible for financial aid. Please make sure your particular academic program is a total of at least 16 credit hours in length and 15 academic weeks. ACTC has a bookstore at both the College Drive and Technology Drive campuses. You may charge your books to your financial aid as long as you have enough financial aid on your account to first cover your tuition and fees and have completed the financial aid release form in your student self-service. The bookstore charge period begins 10 days before classes begin and ends 9 days after the first day of classes of the fall, spring, and summer semesters. Students cannot charge books for bi-term semesters. Financial aid refunds are processed to you through a Hire One account about 4 to 5 weeks into the semester. You will receive a debit card in the mail along with instructions on how to activate your Hire One account and select how you wish to receive your refund. You can visit www.kctcsdebitcard.com for more information. The cost and financial aid link on our website is an important site for you to visit. You can find out more information about ACTC institutional scholarships, current tuition rate for classes, and payment plans. ACTC does not send paper bills when tuition is due. You will want to check our academic calendar every semester and make sure your financial aid or payment plan is in place by the tuition deadline, as unpaid classes are dropped. You can find our academic calendars by clicking the Academics tab on our website. You may be interested in pursuing a work-study opportunity. This allows students to potentially work up to 20 hours a week at minimum wage in a department on campus. Eligibility for this program is determined by your FAFSA results. You also must pass a federal background check and be meeting Satisfactory Academic Progress to qualify. For more information on work-study, please contact our Office of Financial Aid to review your options. If you have any questions about the financial aid process, students are encouraged to visit our offices at either campus. You can also call our student service number, which is 1-855-2-GO-ACTC.